Creating a Cash App account in an unsupported country may seem difficult, but it is possible with the right method. After extensive research, I have developed a simple process that works on both Android and iOS. For this guide, I will demonstrate using an Android phone. The first step is to remove your SIM card. Before starting, power off your phone and take out any physical SIM cards. Cash App detects your location through your SIM's country code, so leaving it in will block access. Next, download Windscribe VPN from the Google Play Store. Windscribe is one of the most reliable free VPNs, offering strong connections and minimal data restrictions. If you are using an iPhone, you can find it in the App Store. After installing the app, open it and search for Atlanta in the server list. Select Atlanta Mountains and tap the power button to connect. Wait for the VPN to establish a secure connection. A confirmation message and a VPN icon in your status bar will indicate a successful connection. With the VPN active, return to the Play Store and search for Cash App. If the app does not appear in the search results, double-check your VPN connection and ensure no SIM cards are inserted. If issues persist, try clearing the Play Store's cache or restarting your device before attempting the download again. Once Cash App appears, download and install it. Now, open Cash App and begin the sign-up process. When prompted to enter a phone number, select Use Email instead and provide a valid email address. Cash App will send a verification code to your email. Retrieve the code and enter it to proceed. Using an email address instead of a phone number is crucial because Cash App primarily supports US phone numbers. Attempting to use a non-US number will likely result in a registration error. When the app asks for your country, select United States. This ensures that your account aligns with US financial regulations and prevents potential access issues. After selecting the country, enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on official documents. Then, input your date of birth and full social security number. Cash App may require ID verification later, so ensuring consistency in your details is important. If prompted to link a bank account, skip this step for now. Non-US banks often fail during the linking process and may trigger security flags. While you can link a US-based bank account later, the priority at this stage is to complete the account setup. At this point, your Cash App account has been created successfully. However, unverified accounts come with transaction limits. You can send up to $1,000 per month, receive up to $1,000 per month, and maintain a maximum cash balance of $1,000. These limits are imposed to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with US financial regulations. To increase these limits, you would need to verify your identity with a US-issued ID, which is not feasible for most users in unsupported regions. However, for casual use, such as sending money to friends or family, these limits are usually sufficient. Once your account is set up, take some time to familiarize yourself with the Cash App interface. The home screen allows you to check balances, add cash, or withdraw funds. The Money tab is where you can send or request payments, while the Discover tab lets you explore additional features such as Bitcoin purchases. Lastly, the Profile Settings section allows you to adjust security options, notifications, and account details. Understanding these sections will help you maximize the functionality of your Cash App account. To ensure continued access, always connect to Windscribe before opening Cash App. Launch the VPN and connect to the Atlanta Mountains server to avoid location-based blocks. Additionally, never use Cash App while a local SIM card is inserted, as this will trigger detection and potentially lock your account. By removing the SIM and masking your IP with a US-based VPN, you can bypass regional restrictions. While this is not a permanent solution, since Cash App may update its detection methods, it is currently effective based on my testing. Following these steps allows you to enjoy Cash App's core features, even if you are in an unsupported country. If you encounter issues during the setup process, there are a few troubleshooting steps you can try. If Cash App does not appear in the Play Store, ensure that your VPN is active and connected to a US server. Clearing the Play Store cache or restarting your phone may also help. If verification fails, consider using a different email address, as some domains may be flagged. Overall, this method enables you to use Cash App for basic transactions, peer-to-peer payments, and even Bitcoin trading. While unverified accounts have limitations, they are still functional for everyday use. If you need higher limits, you may need to explore identity verification workarounds or combine this method with a US-based virtual bank account. If you found this guide helpful, let me know in the comments. Thanks.